So this is the SEKAM stair climbing cart here that the company sent me to try out. Really cool cart that makes it really easy to go up and down stairs because it has these 3 wheels that climb the stairs, so it makes it super easy. So it also has this bar here, so you can angle it back like that, so you can carry boxes just like that. Comes with extra wheels right here, has a kind of extra large base right there, a little stand at the bottom as well. Really nice construction. Padded handle up here. And then your box just goes up here. So you can put on boxes just like that. And then you can pull it back like this. The wheels down there turn as well, so it makes it easy to turn the cart. And then you can see here, going up the stairs is really easy. Just pull it up and you can see the wheels just climb up the stairs super easy. So it makes it really easy to carry large boxes up and down stairs. So much easier than using a standard cart. And then this leg right here you can extend or close in like that as well. And if you don't want that, you can close it in like that as well. So there you go. Really nice cart if you carry a lot of boxes around and go up and down stairs. This is a must-have cart. So much easier than a regular hand truck. So yeah, if you're in need of one of these, definitely check this one out. Give it a try. Really cool colors, high quality, and make things so much easier for you.